Welcome to Storytime. We're doing Hello Kitty, A Day with Hello Kitty, written by Erin Rose Grabaric. And we have these fun buttons here on the side that we're going to push during the story. What a beautiful day! Hello Kitty wonders what she should do. Then she hears a knock on the door. See who it is. It's Fifi, Joey, and Jody. They're here to invite Hello Kitty out for a fun day. First, they will go to a carnival. Hello Kitty loves carnivals. Hello Kitty and her friends look for a ride that goes up high, but all they see are elephants. Then they hear music behind the tent. Let's see what's behind the tent. It's a Ferris wheel. It takes them up into the sky. When Hello Kitty sees the animals down below, she thinks a visit to the zoo would be fun. An alligator splashes at the zoo. Fifi notices that a beach ball seems to be floating above the fountain. It's a silly Sil bouncing a beach ball on her nose. Hello Kitty and her friends cheer. The ball gives them an idea. They'll go to the beach. Hello Kitty wants to dance at the beach party, but something is missing. Then she hears a sound behind the sandcastle. Music. Jody plays a ukulele. Hello Kitty and her friends dance and celebrate. They found so many fun things to do today. The end. Thanks for joining us today.